How generative AI can help scientists synthesize complex materials. MIT researchers developed ***Diffson, an AI model that accelerates materials discovery by predicting optimal synthesis routes for complex materials like zeolites. By analyzing 23,000 plus recipes, Diffson guides scientists through high-dimensional parameters, cutting weeks of trial and error to minutes, while enabling breakthroughs in catalysis and thermal stability. The team synthesized a new zeolite with improved properties, proving AI's potential to revolutionize materials science. A portable ultrasound sensor may enable earlier detection of breast cancer. MIT researchers have developed a portable, smartphone-sized ultrasound system that could enable earlier breast cancer detection by allowing frequent, at-home screenings. The compact device, costing just $300, creates real-time 3D images with minimal gaps, addressing challenges in rural areas and reducing reliance on expensive, bulky machines. Early trials show promise for detecting interval cancers, which often go undetected between mammograms. The team aims to shrink the system further for wearable use potentially revolutionizing cancer monitoring globally. In times of turmoil, a healing touch. Cancer drugs. Med foods get cheaper in budget. India's Budget 2024 slashes costs for cancer patients and medical nutrition by removing customs duties on imported medicines and special medical foods. It also proposes expanding clinical trial sites and strengthening drug regulations to boost healthcare accessibility and innovation. Union Budget. FM reaches for the stars. Boosts astronomy research. Finance Minister unveils ambitious Union Budget 2024. Prioritizing astronomy research with significant funding boosts. The allocation aims to advance space exploration, telescope projects, and cosmic studies, marking a historic push for India's stellar scientific growth. A game changer for tech and space enthusiasts. Is G2 becoming too powerful for the software market? G2's impending acquisition of Capterra, Software Advice, and GetApp from Gartner is sparking concerns about its dominance in the B2B software market. The deal, closing in Q1 2026, will consolidate *6M plus verified reviews and reach *200M plus buyers annually, raising questions about industry consolidation and competition. The iPhone 17 is easing Wall Street's concerns about Apple's AI troubles. Apple's iPhone 17 drives record revenue of $143.8 billion, surpassing expectations and easing Wall Street concerns over its AI lug. With *2.5B devices in use and strong China growth. CEO Tim Cook highlights double-digit iPhone upgrades. Though facing memory shortages, Apple partners with Google for AI advancements, including Siri upgrades, as it balances supply constraints and future AI monetization. Thoma Bravo explores sale of identity software firm Imprivata. Sources say, private equity firm Thoma Bravo is reportedly considering the sale of Imprivata, a leading identity software company in the technology sector. The philosophical puzzle of rational artificial intelligence. MIT's new course, AI and Rationality, blends computer science and philosophy to explore the philosophical limits of artificial intelligence. Instructors Leslie Kyle-Billing and Brian Hedden challenge students to question assumptions about rationality, autonomy, and human-like decision-making in AI. With interdisciplinary discussions, the class equips future researchers with critical thinking tools to navigate evolving AI challenges. Blending theory and real-world applications. Designing the future of metabolic health through tissue-selective drug delivery. GenZeok, an MIT-backed startup, is revolutionizing metabolic health with AI-driven protein shuttles to deliver RNA therapies precisely to target tissues, including brain, fat, and muscle, unlocking treatments for obesity, fatty liver disease, and cardiometabolic disorders. Partnering with Novo Nordisk, the team leverages directed evolution to create multifunctional medicines, aiming to reduce side effects and expand therapeutic possibilities. Microdosing for depression appears to work about as well as drinking coffee. New research suggests that microdosing psychedelics for depression may have a placebo effect, akin to the benefits of drinking coffee. #Technology. Taking the heat out of industrial chemical separations. MIT spin-out *Osmosis ** is revolutionizing industrial chemical separations by cutting energy use by up to 90% with advanced polymer membranes. Their breakthrough technology filters gases like carbon dioxide and methane with unprecedented precision, reducing reliance on heat-intensive processes. Early pilots aim to upgrade biogas, recover helium, and slash emissions, with potential applications spanning carbon capture and semiconductor manufacturing. The innovation could save billions in energy costs and redefine energy-efficient industries. G2 bold move to reshape software discovery with major acquisition from Gartner. G2 acquires Gartner's Capterra, Software Advice, and GetApp, consolidating 4 major B2B software review platforms. The move aims to revolutionize software discovery with AI-driven recommendations, leveraging 6 million verified reviews and a 200M strong buyer audience. Deal expected to close in Q1 2026. Apple changes how you order a Mac. Mac rumors. Apple overhauls Mac ordering process, simplifying purchases for its entire lineup. MacBook Air, Pro, iMac, Mac Mini, and Mac Studio. The update aims to streamline customization and checkout, enhancing user experience for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. Asking Eric, if I call my son, he hangs up as soon as he hears my voice. NJ.com. A reader asks columnist Eric why his son abruptly hangs up when he calls. The father, struggling with emotional distance, wonders if he should persist in reaching out after being cut out of his son's life without explanation. Expert insights on reconnection and communication strategies may help. Should you downgrade to Google AI Plus? 9 to 5 Google AI Plus launches in the US as a budget-friendly alternative to AI Pro. Discover if downgrading could save you money without sacrificing key AI features. Offering enhanced productivity tools at a lower cost. Nintendo has cut the price of some upcoming Amiibo, Nintendo Everything. Nintendo has slashed prices on several upcoming *Amiibo** figures, offering gamers better deals ahead of release. Check out the updated costs for popular characters and collectibles in this latest update. Perfect for fans looking to expand their collections without breaking the bank. Xbox Game Pass. All games coming soon in February 2026. Pure Xbox. Get ready for an expanded Xbox Game Pass lineup. February 2026 promises new additions to the subscription service, offering gamers more titles to explore. Stay tuned for the full list of upcoming exclusives and must-play games as Pure Xbox reveals the latest details. Samsung's $2,900 Galaxy Z Trifold sells out in minutes despite offering no trade-ins, Phone Arena. Samsung's premium Galaxy Z Trifold. Priced at $2,900. Sold out in minutes despite no trade-in offers. High demand underscores the allure of its innovative foldable design and cutting-edge tech. Sparking buzz in the tech world. Apple still preparing 2 new versions of Siri as some employees leave, Mac rumors. Apple continues developing 2 new Siri upgrades despite recent departures, including AI researchers and a senior executive. Bloomberg reports the tech giant faces talent exodus amid Siri's evolution, raising questions about its future direction in AI-driven voice assistants. The spiciest standard deck lists from Pro Tour 11 Eclipsed, Magic Play. Pro Tour 11 Eclipsed showcases daring strategies with decks fueled by new 11 Eclipsed cards. Competitors like Ashling Rekindle dominate with high-risk, high-reward plays. Witness the thrilling battles and standout tactics at this year's event.